What is up, Scatter Crew? Alright, check this out. I'm here with my 2013 Ford F-150, and we found another Ford F-150. This one's a 2012, but basically, look at the headlights. So, I just did a video on the install of these headlights. So, obviously, you can check out that versus the stock headlights. Now, basically, that's all this video is. I just wanted to give you a little comparison on the stock versus the aftermarket. Aftermarket autosaver 88 headlights. Go down, click the link below. I've got a link for Amazon. You can go buy these headlights at Amazon. Also, they have a version of the stock headlights at Amazon as well. So, just so you know. But that's it. This is just going to be a short video showing the difference. That's it. There's literally no other point to this video. Just that's all. We're just comparing. We're comparing the lights. That's it. So go down, hit the like button. We're gonna show you. I'm gonna go out and show you how to. Well, I've got an adjustment video coming soon, so check that out. But there you go. 2012, 2013, same headlights, but one's aftermarket and one is stock. That's it. Look at the difference. I'll turn these on real quick. Actually, I can't turn them on. Hold on just a second, let me grab my keys. But PS, look at those views up there. Those views are amazing. All right. Let's see. There's the daytime running lights. All right, that's it. That's all we're doing. Simple. Lame video. Go down, hit the like button, subscribe, and wait for our next video. Thanks for watching.